Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. The ICP chart has developed quite nicely from the recent lows here in July. We only have a three-wave move to the upside as mentioned before, and it's probably a diagonal pattern that's unfolding here to the upside. It could be impulsive. The problem is with these microstructures on the altcoin charts, they often look corrective, and that means I'd rather interpret it as a diagonal pattern when the market gives me a reason to do so. I have to say though that it's only a three-wave move up, so really for a confirmation that a more substantial low has formed in this larger wave 2 correction, I need to see that 5-wave move. So while it's positive and we have seen some nice upside, actually now targeting that trend line that we talked about, highlighted here in gray, this is not enough to really say we've bottomed. I mean, we also had a three-wave rally here that was in April, and it doesn't mean it's bearish. No, in fact, it did react to the support zone, didn't it? It did react to the main support zone for this wave 2 pullback or B-wave pullback. But basically the same in the short term. It just takes now another, let's say, 4-5 pattern to really put a solid foundation and reversal pattern onto the chart. So I have seen an initial rally from the 5th of July low to the 7th of July high, wave 1, then a wave 2 pullback. This could be an ABC structure with an extended C wave. And it's reached, or the third wave as such, is now very healthy. It's reached the 1.618 extension at $10.28. And then from here, at some point, I'd like to see a fourth wave pullback. I mean, the 1.618 extension isn't even super extended. It's a normal extension for a third wave. It's just actually an ideal target. And that's at $10.28. The next upside levels are $10.76 and then $11.40. This would not be uncommon for a third wave to reach as well. And as we go higher, I will continue to update the support zone. The micro support zone is currently defined between $9.26 and $7.84. And as long as we're holding that support zone, I'm going to watch for one more high in wave 5. So where will the wave 5 go? That really depends on where the wave 3 tops. I mean, as you can see, there is no evidence that the third wave has topped. Cryptos in a third wave, they tend to extend. Not always, but when there is some bullish momentum, they like to extend, also fueled by FOMO. What we can add to the chart, I'm just looking for it, I might need to add it, is the 2.786, the 2.382, and the 2.618. These are just the next levels. I'm not saying we have to go all the way up there in all 5 waves, but if the third goes, for example, to 1144, which is the 200% extension, then the fifth wave should get 1 or 2 levels above that. Okay, so it really depends on where the third wave tops. When can I say that the third wave has topped? Well, I'd say at least we should observe the ascending trend line highlighted here in green. Once we see a break of it, at least it's time to be watching for a potential pullback in wave 4. It's too early to say now. Better evidence would be a break below the last swing low at $9.28. And if we push above 1031, yeah, the next levels are 1079 and 1144. As I said, it wouldn't be unusual for a third wave to test these FIB extensions. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.